So I'm making a whole chicken today. And I'm giving it a little massage here, see? Woo! Feels good, don't it? Alright, I added some red adobo. Of course, I do the red adobo with meats. I added some garlic, black pepper, sazon. I always add a little different seasoning that I keep to myself because good cooks and chefs don't give away all their secrets, you know what I mean? But you're gonna see how this baby turns out after I give it a nice massage and I throw it in the oven. Also, one more thing, I like to make little slits like this with the knife, so all the juices and all the, you know, savory flavors will go inside the meat. I'm gonna cover this up. I gave it a nice massage as you've seen, and it's ready to go. This is how my roasted chicken looks like. Look how juicy that is. After that full body massage, anybody will look that good. So there's your roasted chicken. Added some potato salad, a little bit of rice that I had with the pink beans and seafood salad. And look at that chicken, how amazing that is. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you when I see you. Go eat. I told my lady I ain't never met nobody like you. Thank you.